Hi guys, welcome to Dirt, Dust and Adventure. Today we're going to be going up to our block of land and doing some motorbike riding, and then we're going to the pub after that. So I'll be filming some of the riding. See you there. Alright guys, so we just got to our block of land and we're about to unload the bikes and go riding. So we've been riding for about an hour now and Dad's been following us, so he's been telling us what speed we're hitting, and I'll be able to show you because he's been filming some of the footage. Bianca just pulled a weird face at me. So right now guys, we're going to go to the Mount Mary pub or hotel, whatever you prefer, and I'll film some of the food there, and I'll tell you a little bit of information about the hotel. And Mount Mary Hotel is a small little pub that is really nice. They have done recent renovations inside and outside the pub, as well as a new owner, so if you're in the area, I recommend that you check it out, and I'll put their Facebook account below.